Surah Al Imran Details. Number of verses 200. Number of Rukus 20. Number of words 3503. Number of letters 14,605. Position Juzʼ 3 to 4. Classification Medinan. Opening muqaṭṭaʻāt Alif Lam Mim. Al-Imran. The Family of Imran 1 is the third chapter surah of the Quran with 200 verses ayat. Context. Imran in Islam is regarded as the father of Mary, mother of Jesus. This chapter is named after the family of Imran, which includes Imran, Saint Anne, Mary, and Jesus. Regarding the timing and contextual background of the supposed revelation Asbāb al-nuzūl, the chapter is believed to have been either the second or third of the Medinan surahs, as it references both the events of Badr and the Uhud. Almost all of it also belongs to the third year of the Hijra, though a minority of its verses might have been revealed during the visit of the Najrān Christian deputation and the Mubahala, which occurred around the 10th year of the Hijra. This chapter primarily focuses on the departure of prophethood from the Mosaic dispensation. According to the Catholic, Orthodox, and Anglican traditions, Joachim is the husband of Saint Anne and the father of Mary, the mother of Jesus. The chapter takes its name from the family of Imran mentioned in verse ayat 33.